Thieves have hit a Christchurch chicken farm an alarming 11 times in the past 3 months. Now landlord Leroy Greene says he will have to invest thousands of dollars in security to protect himself and his tenants who rent chicken pens. Between last October and January 2nd, thieves stole broilers and layers, eggs and chicken feed. Mr. Greene said motion detector lights were installed after the first set of break-ins, but it was now clear he needed to do more.
So now we got to expense ourselves now with all the cameras now, right? To see who the culprits, right? And when you got to do that, it's bad because I guess everybody got the idea that you're making a lot of money, but they may know you're spending a lot of money and then getting a lot of money, right? So as I said, Jackie, we need some help. One way or the other. The law, every time the pen get broken into, you can't run go for the police, because police, they got their hand full already. And they ain't gonna run up here every 5 minutes and become a medical report. Right? Everything used to pass through on a regular basis. Right? That might or might not help.